Do you want to win tic-tac-toe games with the right moves and not just based on pure luck? What if I tell you that you can win almost every game with simple moves? If this sounds cool to you, then this video is for you. Hey guys, my name is Ernie. Welcome to our channel and thanks for watching our videos. In this video, we'll go through some tic-tac-toe moves so we can win in almost every game. For this video demo, we'll be using this simple tic-tac-toe web game that we have developed. I will leave the link in the description below. Feel free to use it for your own games. Okay, let's get started. First of all, for these moves to work, you must be the first player to start the game. Choose any corner square and put your cross there. Your opponent now has two choices, that is, to choose the middle square or any square that's around the middle square. In the first scenario, your opponent chooses the middle square. The game will either end in a tie or a win for you. In this example, you will start your cross here. Then your opponent places his knot in the middle square. Next, you will place your next cross in the opposite corner, like so. If your opponent goes to a corner, you will win. In your next move, just place your cross in the last corner. Now you will have two winning lines and there's no way your opponent can stop you from winning. Let's start a new game and place our first cross in one of the corners. Your opponent then places his knot in the middle square. You will do like before by placing your cross in the opposite corner. However, this time your opponent decides to put his knot on the side square. It is unlikely for you to win unless your opponent makes a mistake. Hence, you should try to force a tie, like so. In the second scenario, your opponent chooses a square around the middle square. If that happens, it is a guaranteed win for you. In this example, we will start your cross here and your opponent goes here. You'll put your next cross in the other corner. Now, your opponent will try to block you from winning by placing his knot here. In your next move, place your cross in another corner, like so. Now, you will have two winning lines, and no matter where your opponent puts his knot, you will win. Remember that these moves will only work if you are the first player to start the game. If you are the second player to start the game, you should try to force a tie, or sometimes if you are lucky, your opponent may make a mistake and you can take the win. Try these moves with your friends and they will be impressed by how many times you win the game. If you find this video interesting to you, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. We have other cool videos in our channel like solving a 2x2 and 3x3 cubes. You can find these videos easily in our playlist or the link that I provided in the description of this video. Alright, we have come to an end of this video. Hope to see you on our next video.